Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I am Dr. Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 133. In this episode, I will talk about the definition of a school library, purpose, resources, functions and services. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. Point number 1, what is a school library? Point number 2, what is the purpose of a school library? Point number 3, what are the key resources of a school library? And point number 4, what are the functions of a school library? Point number 5, what are the services provided by the school library? Point number 1, what is a school library? A school library is a part of a school teaching and learning environment that provides resources and services to support students, teachers, staff and their families. A school library or school library information center is a library within the school where students, staff, teachers, often parents of public and private school are used that space for the learning, recreational and academic activities. A school library plays a very vital role for the development of school students' reading habits, critical thinking, advanced subject knowledge, homework and school assignments. The school libraries also support to teachers in preparation of curriculum development, course design, syllabus assignment outlines. The school libraries are considered as a learning hub of the students, teachers and staff members. Point number 2, what is the purpose of a school library? The purpose of a school library or information center is to ensure that all the members of a school community have equitable access to books and other reading materials, to information and existing resources of information technologies to all students. The main purpose of the school library is to serve the society through records of human thoughts, ideas, expression by making them available to all students, teachers, staff and other stakeholders of a school library, educational experts and researchers and academicians. Point number 3, what are the resources of the school library? The school library consists of a variety of resources including 3 main key resources. Number 1, printed resources. Number 2, electronic resources. Number 3, information and communication technology resources. Number 1, printed resources. In printed resources, school libraries have textbooks. Number 2, reference books. Number 3, fiction books. Number 4, biographies. Number 5, magazines. And number 6, newspapers. Number 2, electronic resources. In electronic resources, school libraries have 3 important resources. Number 1, electronic books. Number 2, databases, websites. Number 3, digital resources or information and communication technology resources. These resources should be available all the modern school libraries. Number 1, computers. Number 2, laptops. Number 3, tablets. Number 4, projector. Number 5, LED screen. Number 6, internet Wi-Fi connection. Point number 4, what are the functions of a school library? There are following functions of a school library. Number 1, improving learning outcome of the students. Number 2, creating school culture that support reading for the pleasure, enjoyment. Number 3, creating digital literate students to become the fruitful part of the society. Number 4, nurturing the creativity. Number 5, preserving the knowledge for generation. Number 6, encouraging the calibration. Number 7, helping the teacher. And number 8, supporting in the curriculum and course design for the teachers. Point number 5, what are the services provided by the school library? Number 1, teaching resource. Number 2, reading cultures. Number 3, reference services. Number 4, training and workshops. Number 5, digital literacy. Number 6, storytelling session. Number 7, assignment and homework support. Number 8, instructional facilities. Number 9, organize the special events. 10, information literacy session. Number 11, teacher support services. Here I conclude the episode number 133, and in this episode I discussed the 5 points about the school library. What is the school library? What are the purpose of a school? What is the purpose of a school library? Number 3, what are the resources available in the school library? Number 4, what are the function of a school library? And number 5, what are the services provided by the school library? Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.